Hello and welcome to this episode. Today I'm fitting the Puig screen to my Honda Monkey 125. This is part of my Monkey Mods series, and today you join me on the first episode. In this video I will unbox the product, show you how to install it, and at the end we can go for a ride and we'll have a chat about it. Right, let's unbox this thing. Insert the rubber expanding nuts as shown. Screw all three of them halfway in. Install the headlight surround beading trim. Trim off the excess. Install the side brackets in this orientation as shown. Do the same for the other side. Tighten these fully. Unscrew the headlight bolts. Use the long screw and spacer supplied in the kit. Mount both sides, screw the bolts in finger tight. Get the screen to your desired position and then fully tighten. Fully screw the screen bolts in, don't over tighten these. Now install the caps. Now you're finished, nice and simple. Here is what the screen looks like on a yellow monkey. This is my wife's one. Right, let's go for a ride and we'll have a chat about this thing. Right, so as promised, I am giving you a real life review of the screen fitted. This is my first time riding the monkey with the Puig screen fitted. One of my concerns was this screen flapping about, and that is exactly what it is doing. I'm just going to have to keep an eye on the bolts to make sure they stay tight. I might have to put Loctite on these. There's not a great deal of mounting as far as the screen is concerned, bolting it to the headlight, so that it might be something to consider. It does flap about a little bit, not too annoying though, not as sturdy as I would like, but what can you do? So we're travelling at 40 miles an hour, nice clean air. It's taken away from my chest, just up to my helmet. The reason I wanted to fit the screen is for a little bit of wind weather protection, a better cockpit area so I can put heated grips on and that, just to stop all the water and muck going around the dials there. And plus, if you have a charging point or a USB, that will keep that nice and dry. And it looks good as well. In my opinion, I think it looks great. It comes colour coded, fantastic. So thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for this series. This is episode 1 where I fitted this fly screen. Every episode I will be upgrading this monkey. There is no end to it. I will keep upgrading it for the foreseeable. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you've got any suggestions on what I should upgrade the monkey to, what I should put on the monkey, what you want to see, let me know and I'll do my best to get it fitted and test it for you. So until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.